They were forgotten, rusted, and buried in time. Now they shine brighter than ever. Number 1. 1936 John Deere Model A. Once abandoned in a barn for decades, this Model A got a full frame-off restoration. Now it gleams like it's straight from 1936. Number 2. 1940 Farmall H. Used hard and left to rot. But now, this Farmall H has new paint, rebuilt engine, and original decals. A perfect red classic. Number 3. 1951 Alice Calmer's WD. It's never looked this good. The WD was stripped, restored, and now steals the spotlight at every vintage tractor show. Don't forget to like and subscribe.